The heart of every home lies in its kitchen, and the tools you choose can significantly elevate your cooking experience. This Cook & Home 10-piece stainless steel cookware set is not just another kitchen accessory. It's a thoughtfully designed collection that promises durability, efficiency, and style. Made with premium 1810 stainless steel and featuring encapsulated aluminum bottoms for even heat distribution, this cookware set is ideal for both seasoned chefs and home cooks. What truly sets this cookware apart is its versatile design, ensuring compatibility with various stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. From boiling to frying, this set meets all your culinary needs while maintaining a sleek aesthetic. In this review, we'll explore every aspect of the Cook & Home cookware set, from its standout features to real-world benefits, helping you decide why this set deserves a place in your kitchen. Design and build. The Cook & Home 10-piece stainless steel cookware set boasts a mirror-polished finish that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. The reflective surface not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also ensures effortless cleaning. The encapsulated aluminum disc at the base of each piece is designed for superior heat conductivity, eliminating hot spots and providing even cooking. The tempered glass lids with steam vents offer convenience by letting you monitor your dishes without lifting the lid, which helps retain moisture and flavor. The riveted silicone-wrapped handles remain cool to the touch, ensuring safety and comfort while cooking. These handles also feature a hanging hole, making storage more manageable in smaller kitchens. Performance and functionality. One of the highlights of this cookware set is its performance on various heat sources. Whether you're using induction, gas, electric, or ceramic stovetops, the Cook & Home set delivers consistent results. The oven-safe design, withstanding temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, lids up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, adds versatility for recipes that require finishing touches in the oven. The encapsulated aluminum bottoms ensure quick and even heating, perfect for delicate dishes that require precise temperature control. From simmering soups in the stockpot to sautéing vegetables in the frying pan, this set adapts seamlessly to every culinary challenge. Ease of use and maintenance. Cleaning cookware is often a dreaded task, but not with the Cook & Home stainless steel cookware set. Its mirror-polished finish resists staining and ensures easy cleanup, whether by hand or in the dishwasher. The tempered glass lids, combined with the reflective surface, reduce the chances of residue buildup, making maintenance straightforward. The set's stackable design saves valuable kitchen space, and the flat base ensures stability on all cooktops. This feature makes the Cook & Home set an excellent choice for compact kitchens or those looking to declutter their cooking spaces. Why choose the Cook & Home 10-piece set? Versatility. Compatible with all stovetops and oven-safe for a range of recipes. Durability. Made with 1810 stainless steel for long-lasting performance. Convenience. Dishwasher-safe with a polished finish for easy cleaning. Safety. Silicone-wrapped handles stay cool, preventing accidental burns. Affordability. A premium cookware set that offers excellent value for its price. Potential drawbacks. While this cookware set offers numerous benefits, it may not suit everyone. The oven-safe limit of 400 degrees might be restrictive for some recipes. Additionally, users new to stainless steel cookware may find it requires a bit more care compared to non-stick alternatives. However, with proper use and maintenance, the Cook & Home set delivers unmatched performance. Customer testimonials. Many users praise the Cook & Home stainless steel cookware set for its excellent heat distribution and elegant design. One customer mentioned, "I've used this set daily for over a year, and it still looks as good as new. It heats evenly, and the lids fit perfectly." Another added, "Perfect for my induction cooktop. Cleaning is a breeze, and it's great for both everyday cooking and special occasions." Conclusion. This Cook & Home 10-piece stainless steel cookware set is a reliable and stylish addition to any kitchen. Whether you're preparing quick meals or experimenting with elaborate recipes, this set delivers consistent performance and a premium cooking experience. Its durable construction, easy maintenance, and compatibility with various stovetops make it a practical choice for any household. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and transform your cooking today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.